Imagine waking up tomorrow with a crystal clear vision of where you're going, what you want to achieve, and a step-by-step map to get there. Wouldn't that be powerful? But here's the truth. Most people don't wake up like that. They stumble through their days, unclear, unfocused, and unfulfilled. What if I told you that you can change that right now? Today, we're diving into the powerful world of goal setting, a technique so transformative that it could be the turning point in your life. Stick with me until the end of this video, because what you're about to discover might just be the secret you've been looking for to unlock your full potential. Ready? Let's get started. Goal setting is not just about jotting down what you want on a piece of paper. It's about crafting a vision so compelling that it pulls you forward, even on the toughest days. But how do you do that? How do you create goals that not only inspire you, but drive you to take action every single day? First, let's talk about clarity. You must be specific about what you want. General goals like, "I want to be successful," are too vague. Success in what? Be crystal clear. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I will run a 5K in 3 months." The more precise your goal, the clearer your path becomes. Next, write down your goals. There's something powerful about transferring your thoughts to paper. It makes your goals tangible, and science backs this up. People who write down their goals are significantly more likely to achieve them. Now let's set deadlines. A goal without a deadline is just a dream. Deadlines create urgency, and urgency breeds action. Break your goals into smaller milestones and set dates for each one. This not only keeps you on track, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you progress. But here's the crucial part. Your goals must align with your values and your purpose. If your goals don't resonate with who you are at your core, you'll struggle to find the motivation to pursue them. Take a moment to ask yourself, why do I want this? How will achieving this goal make me feel? Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. It's about the person you become while pursuing your goals. Embrace the challenges, learn from the setbacks, and keep pushing forward. Your perseverance will build the resilience you need to succeed. And don't go it alone. Surround yourself with people who support your vision. Share your goals with those who will hold you accountable and cheer you on. Together, you can achieve more than you ever could alone. As we come to the end of this video, ask yourself, are you ready to set goals that will change your life? The only thing standing between you and the life you want is the decision to start now. Don't wait. Take that first step today and watch as your life transforms in ways you never imagined. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that will empower you to live your best life. Remember, the journey to greatness begins with a single step. What will your first step be?